Listen, life is not fair. Someone said that. And it's true, because life is hard for everyone. Doesn't matter who you are, where you grew up, or what you have in your bank account. But even if life is hard for everyone, some people seem to do better than others. Some people get more opportunities, more success, and more happiness. Do you want to be like them? Well, today I'm going to show you how. In this video, I'm going to talk about 6 steps to climb the ladder of success. If you do all of these things, you will be on your way to getting everything you want in life. So let's begin. No one. Set your goals. The first step to climbing the ladder of success is setting goals. If you don't know where you want to go, how can you get there? You need to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve before you can start working towards it. When you set goals, you give yourself something to aim for. You give yourself a reason to get out of bed in the morning. You give yourself a roadmap to follow. So take the time to really think about what you want in life. What kind of work do you want to do? What kind of lifestyle do you want to live? Once you have a good understanding of what you want, write it down and make a plan to achieve it. One way to approach goal setting is by using the SMART method. This is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let me explain each of these terms with an example. Let's say that one of your goals is to lose weight. Specific goal would be to lose 10 pounds or 2.2 kilograms in the next 3 months. A measurable goal would be to run a 5K in under 30 minutes. An achievable goal would be to walk for 30 minutes every day. A relevant goal would be to buy new running shoes. A time-bound goal would be to sign up for a 5K race in the next 3 months. So as you can see, the SMART method is a very effective way to set goals. It helps you to be clear, concise, and focused when setting your objectives. If you want to be successful in life, then you must learn to set goals using the SMART method. No, 2. Take action. The second step to climbing the ladder of success is taking action. You can plan and dream all you want, but if you don't take any action, nothing will ever happen. You must be willing to put in the hard work and make the sacrifices necessary to achieve your goals. There are 2 types of actions: physical actions and mental actions. Physical actions are the things that you can actually see yourself doing, such as studying for a test or exercising. Mental actions are the things that you can't see, but are just as important, such as thinking positively or visualizing yourself succeeding. Both types of actions are important if you want to climb the ladder of success. To take action, you need to be motivated. Motivation is what gets you started and keeps you going when things get tough. There are 2 types of motivation: intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is when you're motivated by internal rewards, such as a sense of satisfaction or accomplishment. Extrinsic motivation is when you're motivated by external rewards, such as money or fame. Both types of motivation are fine as long as you're using them to move towards your goals. So remember, if you want to be successful, take action. Don't just sit around and wait for things to happen. Be proactive and make things happen. No. 3. Learn from others. Another important thing to do if you want to be successful is learn from others. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. Instead, look for models and try to emulate them. Ask yourself, what are they doing differently? What can I learn from them? Can I apply it to my own life? There are many ways to learn from others. You can read their books, listen to their podcasts, watch their videos, or even attend their seminars or events. You can also reach out to them directly and ask for advice or mentorship. But sometimes the best way to learn from someone is simply by observing them. Pay attention to how they act, how they speak, how they dress, and how they carry themselves. Then try to emulate those behaviors that you admire. When you learn from others, you save yourself a lot of time and effort. You don't have to make the same mistakes that they made. You can avoid the pitfalls that they encountered, and you can replicate the strategies that they used to succeed. So always be learning from others. Always be trying to improve yourself. Always strive to become the best version of yourself. No. 4. Persevere through obstacles. The path to success is not always easy. There will be times when you face obstacles and challenges. Maybe you'll get rejected or criticized or ridiculed or doubted. Maybe you'll feel like giving up or quitting or just going back to how things were before. But if you want to be successful, you can't let those obstacles stop you. You have to persevere through them. There are 2 types of people in this world: those who complain about the obstacles and those who overcome them. Which type of person do you want to be? The choice is yours. But remember this, obstacles are a part of the journey. They're a part of the process. They're a part of the adventure. They're what make you stronger, smarter, and more resilient. They're what help you grow and learn and evolve. They're what make you who you are. So whenever you face an obstacle, don't complain about it. Don't let it defeat you. Don't let it discourage you. Use it as fuel to propel you forward. Use it as motivation to inspire you to do more. Use it as an opportunity to discover your potential. Remember, obstacles are only temporary. They're only a moment in time. They're only a small blip in your life story. They're nothing compared to the rest of your journey. So don't let them define you. Don't let them hold you back. Don't let them stop you from pursuing your dreams. No. 5, stay positive. One of the most important things you can do if you want to be successful is stay positive. Your attitude is everything. It's what determines whether you succeed or fail. It's what determines whether you live a happy and fulfilling life or a miserable and regretful one. There are 2 types of attitudes: a positive attitude and a negative attitude. A positive attitude is a belief that you can control the situation you're in and that you can make the best of any situation. A negative attitude is a belief that you're a victim of your circumstances and that you can't change anything. Which type of attitude do you have? Well, if you want to be successful, you need to have a positive attitude. You need to believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. You need to have faith in the process and trust that things will work out for you in the end. How do you stay positive? Well, here are a few tips. First, surround yourself with positive people. The people you hang out with will either lift you up or drag you down. So choose your friends wisely. Second, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can help you focus on the good things in your life rather than the bad things. Third, use positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself is the way you talk to yourself, so be kind to yourself and avoid negative judgments. Fourth, visualize success. Visualization is a technique that can help you see yourself achieving your goals. It can help you feel confident and motivated. Finally, take care of yourself. When you take care of yourself physically and emotionally, you're better able to handle stress and adversity. No. 6. Believe in yourself. The last step to climbing the ladder of success is believing in yourself. All the other steps won't matter if you don't believe in yourself. You won't be able to set goals, take action, learn from others. Persevere through obstacles, and stay positive if you don't believe in yourself. But why is it so important to believe in yourself? Well, it's important because when you believe in yourself, you unleash your full potential. You become unstoppable. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. So how do you believe in yourself? Well, here are a few tips. First, identify your strengths and weaknesses. Knowing yourself better will help you gain confidence and self-esteem. Second, set realistic expectations. Don't expect perfection from yourself. Allow yourself to make mistakes and learn from them. Third, focus on your achievements. No matter how small they may seem, celebrate your successes and give yourself credit for them. Fourth, cultivate a positive self-image. Create a vision of yourself as a successful and fulfilled person. Fifth, seek support from others. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and encourage you. Remember, believing in yourself is not selfish. It's not arrogant. It's necessary. It's the key to unlocking your potential and living a successful and fulfilling life. So these are 6 steps to climb the ladder of success. Set goals. Take action. Learn from others. Persevere through obstacles. Stay positive and believe in yourself. If you follow these steps, you will be on your way to getting everything you want in life. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.